Hello guys, so welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to install your PTC platform. I'm going to be showing you on how to install it. I know you guys might have seen a platform whereby they'll tell you that if you click a video in order for you to get paid, or if you click a link in order for you to get paid. So PTC platform is just like an investment website, where you click a video or you watch a video and also click a link in order for you to get paid. But in order for it to happen, there are some certain tasks you need to perform. So I'm going to show you on how to install and build that type of website. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to have your hosting. As you can see, the hosting I'm using is PMS Tech Host, and you need to have your hosting and your domain. Now I'm going to use my hosting. I'm going to log in. So in your own, when you have your own hosting and domain, they will give you a cPanel. So that is it has loaded. So I'll go to my file manager. So in your own, this is my website. So you may have a subdomain. These are my subdomain, but I'm not going to put it in here. I'm going to put it in my real domain. So I'm going to upload it in my domain. Then you come to, first of all, don't forget, you come to your select file, and this is where I have the script. This is where I have the script. Then click on open, and you wait for it to download. So let's just give it some time for it to be completed. In cases like this, network may still be the issue, or the hosting service you are using. So either one of them can be the cause. So you just have to be patient for it to upload. It's uploading. Just be patient for it to upload. We are done. So if you see that it showed green, that means it's successful. So now you go back, then this is your script. Then you have to extract it. So for you to be able to extract it, you went to your script, then you right click, then you go to extract. Then in your website you are uploading it to. If it's your subdomain, you upload it to your subdomain. But this public HTML, that is where I'm extracting my file to. depends on where you want to extract your file, but mine is public HTML. You can also put it in your subdomain. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. Come to close, then come to your project, click on your project. Yeah, so come to your select all, so you come to move. So I'm moving it to my folder public HTML. Come to move files. Yeah. So after doing that, you come to your SQL and download the database. Yeah, and download it because you don't need it later on when you see it. So I've downloaded it to use this. So after doing that, we need to create our database. Yeah, so you come to this place, come to your cPanel, click on your cPanel, and you come to the database wizard. So you wait for it to upload. So I'm going to use a PTC Pro 2025. Yeah, for safety. PTC Pro 2025. And yeah, user PTC Pro. Sorry, PTC Pro 2025. My password. Now this is what I'm going to do in order for me not to forget it. So I'm going to highlight this from here to here to this place. I'm going to copy it, so that everything should just be the same. Copy and create your user. Create a user, then check your password to confirm it's correct. Not now. Then you come to all privileges and make changes. Make sure you do this. Make sure you do it. Very important. Then you come and you highlight here. Then you copy. So I'm going to show you where you are going to use this for. So you come to this place. Then you come to your let's go to up one level. Let's go to the .env. So you come here and you right click, then you come to edit. Don't forget, you come to edit, then you come to your database. What you did there, you come and paste. The username you created, you come and paste. Your password, this was the password I used when I created my database, and put it here. The local host, your URL. My URL is www.btchain.com. So you come to save. So if it's your subdomain, you still put your subdomain here. So any domain you are using, you put it here. Then you come to save changes. So we are not done. Come to this place, then you come to my PHP admin. PHP admin. So you wait for it to download. Network is bad. I'm going to change it. Okay, done. So now you guys remember what we created. Our database was pitch10 PTC Pro 225. Then you click it and you come to your import. Then you come to choose file. So this is my click on import and then wait for it to load. Successfully we have gotten it, we have installed it. So now we can now go to our come here and come to my website and click. So you can see this is my website. So this is the website you are seeing. After following all this process, you will see your file successfully. Well done and nice. So this is it, the PTC Pro. So this is it. So plan, you can see. So for you to be able to edit all this, going to admin, to set up the website properly. Admin login. So I'm going to use admin and password. I'm also going to use admin. I'm going to sign in. We are in the admin dashboard. As you can see, is all of it. So wait for it to load. See, say Chrome job setup instruction. If you want everything that you are doing to be working properly, you just have to copy this link, copy it, then go to your database to your cPanel, and you type Chrome job. You see it they copy the link and put it there in order to have access to everything you are doing. That's it. So you can see this everything. This is our dashboard. And these are payments log. Log, you can see it. Also, these are advertisements setting. This is it. So this is manage plan. pick your transaction, come to this place, user management. So all of this, you can do whatever you want to do in your admin dashboard, the settings, everything you want to do, you can do it from here. So that is how you successfully install your PTC script, and I believe that helped you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.